uncover what's truly hiding in the darker side of the human brain. The human brain, it's a mysterious and complex thing, and I'm not just talking about its ability to create incredible works of art or solve complex math problems. I'm talking about the darker side of the human brain, the part that operates beneath our awareness, influencing our thoughts, feelings, and actions in ways we might not even realize. This isn't about evil or malicious intent. It's about the unconscious biases, primal urges, and cognitive shortcuts that shape our experiences. Understanding and acknowledging these hidden aspects of our brain is a challenge. They profoundly influence our decisions, perceptions, and interactions, often in ways we're not aware of. It's like our brain has a mind of its own, making decisions and reacting to situations before we even have a chance to think about them. Our thoughts, feelings, and actions are shaped by forces that are operating beneath the surface. And if we want to gain more control over our lives, we need to understand what's driving them. These hidden forces can manifest in many ways, like cognitive biases that affect how we perceive information. For example, confirmation bias leads us to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs, while implicit bias influences our attitudes and actions towards certain groups of people. Then there's the fight or flight response, a primal urge that can take over when we feel threatened or stressed, causing us to react impulsively without thinking through the consequences. Our brains are also wired for certain fears and prejudices, which can lead to irrational and hurtful behavior. By becoming aware of these subconscious processes, we gain greater control over our reactions and can make more conscious, informed decisions. We can start to recognize when our brain is trying to take over and take a step back to think about what's really going on. This leads to personal growth and a better understanding of others as we learn to navigate the complex landscape of our own minds. As we explore the darker side of the human brain, we may discover some uncomfortable truths, but we'll also gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. The key takeaway here is that understanding the darker side of our brain isn't about fear, but about self-awareness and empowerment. These are natural parts of being human, and by acknowledging and accepting them, we can become more compassionate, open-minded, and thoughtful individuals. So, which aspects of the darker side of the brain do you find most surprising? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're curious about the human mind and want to learn more about the hidden forces that shape our experiences, be sure to subscribe for more insights and explorations into the complexities of the human brain.